Kuyamis 2025 no unsa yung mga expectation nga ginakaabot pod nga mahimo kang ambassador sa Misamis Oriental?
As I've said earlier, no, I really embody the kanang Governor Ronavia has the platform no from the paglaot sa direct agenda, and we would go to the grassroots level to know their problems. Of course, kailangan mo atuan pero balaan mo and to solve it. That is why my expectation would be like to work together, because in working together there will be really progress, and only working together we can achieve everything that is impossible and possible.
Na ma'am, you mentioned kay kanina na livelihood yun no ang isa gito sa best answer nimo. Dayon unsa nga particular nga mga livelihood ang imong gusto nga i-focus
on that part? I think it would be the agricultural under the 7-point strategic agenda of governor, which is on agricultural development for poverty eradication. And I would like to propose to our governor, if given a chance, to propose organic farming in our key measures in promoting sustainable development in our Misamis Oriental.
Ma'am, do you have plans to join national pageant?
Yes, I have really plans. A big it was really my dream to go on a national level, but hindi pa sure kung tugutan ta or unsa man galing ako padungan, but I would be grateful in every step of the way.
Ano sa challenge during sa imong journey aning pageant?
Actually, there was a lot of challenges. Kaya nagsakit din ko actually during our closed door. Nagilanap ko, nag-ubo, kanang-ubo, yun na kanang hadlo ko na basing ubo ko while mag-storya. I was very sick since January, start of January. So that was a very challenging part. Aside sa pressure nga, the reigning queen was from Manila.
Na-mention ni mo kanina, Ma'am No, nga medyo nakawala kay mga minor awards. But sa pag-top 5 kay, apil man day ka. So imong reaction na to?
Of course, I was very grateful, no? Kay maybe wala lang ko na hatagan sa minor awards, but I'm still in the top 5 of those minor awards. So, grateful Japon kayo ko, no? Most especially to the Lord na wala man ko niya gitagaan ng mga minor awards, but He gave me a major award, the crown, Miss Oriental.
Kapila na yun yung mga pageant, ma'am?
Ano po, wala rin po nag-abot ng
At ano na bakasaw na? Na-failure na bakasaw na?
Of course, nag-job ko siya. Dagan po major setbacks, pero tas naman Japon ko no nga, dili jud dapat siya mag-stop there. Kaya dagan pa Japon kay opportunities.
Ma'am, kumusta imong journey with the other candidates?
Of course, lovable, good kayang everyone. Love kaya ako silang tanan. Sa backstage, yung na-feel siguro nila mga nagloya na siguro ko no. Pero ilagi kong ginang-comfort kapag doon sa ko nga, I'm rooting for you, dauga for me. So mo to sa tono nga nakapaning kamot ko pag wala tawag mic para po sa ilaha.
Kung sa imong advocacy, Miss Misamis 2021?
As of now, my advocacy is really strong for education and environmental protection. As I said earlier, during my time in a Q&A person, I really had a campaign on including environmental protection into our school curriculums. In this way, we're inculcating in the mind of the youth how important it is to include environmental protection into our schools. In our everyday life, and actually, our environment and our tourism must go hand in hand. And I believe that Misamis Oriental is really focusing also on paglaom sa tourism, because there is really paglaom sa tourism.
Ma'am, is one of the program of Governor Peter Navia is to lower down the poverty incidence in the province. So, ano na ba kayo plans or action ni si Miss Misamis 2021?
Actually, that was the question earlier. It's about the SBTI. And as of now, I would like to have a work hand in hand with the government, because I believe that the government is doing all their best. And one thing I could help as of now is to support all their plans and projects. And hopefully in the future, I can help projects as well. Thank you so much, your governor. You are really a visionary leader. And thank thank you so much for having Miss Kuyamis this year. And I hope that you can inspire a lot of people because actually I was very, very inspired by him because all my kanang pinastudian kay parang ginawat sa'yo I have projects, programs kay actually kanina kaya I was very disheartened because wala ko yung nakuha ang minor awards so wala na ko na-expect na makuha pa din ko sa top 5 and thankfully mo lang pag-good so may hatag na ginakauntan na thank you so much Governor. I am very happy actually dili lang na back to back no from the time with Chela Falconer Miss Kuyamis 2019 actually he also bagged or got the crown. She represented also Medina and the reigning Miss Kuyamis 2024 inshallah and I represented the same barangay during our Binibining Medina journey and I really think it was a legacy and I hope the next Miss Kuyamis journey, Medina will excel as well. Yes, of course, kanina, as I've mentioned, na disheartened gid ko nga. I have no awards, but thankfully, nakuha gid ko sa top 5. I think all of the candidates, sorry. Tanan kandidata no, kay nagilay-lahi nga kanang strength. And I believe one of my strength is really my purpose. And that purpose is to inspire and aspire change in my community. And as a public servant, a young public servant myself, I really think that serving the people, the community is really my need na dyan mo. So I think that's it. That's why I think that question is really also connected to me as I am a young leader, servant. That's why I really admire Governor
Na lang ma'am, imong advice sa mga newcomer pod.
Ayaw gid mo ka disheartened just like me because God has really a lot of plans for you. Ayaw mo undang and ayaw kayo opportunities and laban lang gid always.
Ma'am, congratulations. Thank you so much.